Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Yeah. So, what you're going to be seeing me use on this video are pieces that I've had in my stock for a while. This right here is a, what the frag rock do you call it? I swear, okay, there it is. It is a 2x4 Basics. You can look it up online. I'll probably put a link in the description below. Basically, you get these little injection molded pieces. This is made in the USA, of course. Nice, very nice. This is actually a gift from a good friend of mine, Joel. If you're watching this, thank you very kindly for these. As you've seen in my other at the house, I'll put your other ones to good use. This one is going to be for my workbench. Look it up online, order them. I definitely support the product mainly because I use them in my garden shed. They're durable. I've been hit with them a few times. These things right here, I don't actually, I got these from Habitat for Humanity in Dunn, North Carolina. Again, thrift store shopping. And I've had these, I think they're gate hinges. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this all together. But I want my work table to be able to tilt up like I think the boss said, an artist table. So what I'd be doing is I'd be setting here, screwing them into the frame, attaching this to this, and I'd make one side to be able to come off. Well, come unscrewed. I've got some wing nuts in the shop. And I just basically want to be able to flip this thing up, set it up, so that way if I'm like putting stuff on pole clamps, if I want something to tilt a certain way while it's curing, or just when in doubt the fact that my shed is not level at all. Go figure. But yeah, that's the pieces I'm going to be using for this. I'm going to be recessing. I don't know if you can see it from there. Sorry. I'm basically going to be recessing this into the wood. That way the piece that the part of the table, even though this thing is cockeyed, and yeah, getting this work table set up so we can have not only a work table outside, but we can also have a work table inside the shed, you know, because not always going to be outside. Not exactly I will in the heat. No, but I do freeze up in the cold. Anyways, yeah, follow along. Alrighty, that was the build. Not really too informative. Like I said, I just cut everything at a 45. That way it matched my measurements and gave it a little bit more structural stability. Tabletop with the hinge, with the recessed hinges, works out great. It tilts up. Pretty much you can go a full 90 degrees. I can set it to whatever. It just depends on whatever I brace it up with in the back. Probably going to put some little hinges with a bracer board. That way I can set it to like a constant 45 if I'm doing anything that I need. I also saw somebody call it a drafting table, an artist table, things like that. Thank y'all for the information on that. This was a kind of a quick build. I got the pieces together, got it cut, and yeah. By the way, whatever you saw during the video, I know I'm not a trained professional, sorry for that, but thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions on how I could make another table even better, any information period, that would be great. I'm going to try to put a link below for the 2x4 basics. That way, if y'all get motivated to build a table like mine, or they have a shelving unit that's amazing, like I said, I use it in my garage shed, it's great. Thank you for watching. Just be safe out there. Hopefully try to get some more videos out. And also the giveaway video is going to be coming up. So thank you again. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Also check out many of the other YouTubers that you might see that I might talk about. They help me out motivationally wise. You got American Pidller, of course, and you got Ivey's Forge and Homestead. Ugh, bugs. Check those two guys out. They definitely help me outside of YouTube. So love y'all. Thank you for watching.